Hello friends, and today we are going to discuss about inventions in motors. So we are going to discuss today of smaller and faster engines that also reduce pollution. In 1985, Germans Gottlieb Daimler in 1934 to between 1900 and William Maybach in 1846 between 1929 famously invented an engine that resembled a grandfather clock. So this engine was named grandfather's clock, and I will share the picture of the engine in the last of the video. Hence, it was called the grandfather's clock engine. It was the first small high speed ICE to run on petrol. It was the vehicle including a cycle, a stagecoach, and a boat. Means this was a smaller engine, reduces pollution, and was a faster, which was used in which runs with petrol, and which was used in motorcycle, boat, and a car. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. And this is how the grandfather's clock engine looked like. Bye.